Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into 3D printing or just curious about the best 3D printers for 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to explore the top 5 best 3D printers that are taking the 3D printing world by storm this year. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional looking for the best quality and features, we've got you covered. We'll look at performance, ease of use, features, and of course, value for money. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's dive into the world of 3D printing. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more cool tech reviews and guides. Now let's start the countdown. Number 5. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. At number 5, we have the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. This is a great 3D printer for beginners and hobbyists, and it's known for its fantastic price-to-performance ratio. If you're new to 3D printing or just want a reliable machine without spending too much, the Ender 3v3 SE is an excellent choice. The Ender 3v3 SE has a 250 by 250 by 270 millimeter build volume, which is a solid size for most 3D printing projects. It's perfect for printing larger models or multiple smaller objects at once. This 3D printer features a fully upgraded direct drive extruder, which improves filament feeding, making printing with flexible filaments like TPU much easier. One of the standout features is its silent printing. Thanks to Creality's new silent stepper drivers, this printer is quieter than previous models, making it great for home use, especially if you don't want to disturb anyone with loud noises while printing. It also comes with an auto bed leveling system, which helps you achieve better prints right from the start. You don't have to manually adjust the print bed each time, saving you a lot of time and frustration. Another great feature is the touchscreen interface, which makes controlling the printer much easier. For print quality, the Ender 3v3 SE delivers impressive results. It's perfect for everyday 3D printing tasks, and with some minor tuning, you can achieve professional level results. It's also highly customizable, meaning you can upgrade it with more advanced components as your 3D printing skills grow. In terms of price, the Ender 3v3 SE is an affordable 3D printer that doesn't cut corners on quality. It's a solid choice for those who want to dip their toes into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Number 4. AnkerMake M5C. Next up at number 4, we have the AnkerMake M5C. Anker has made a name for itself in the tech world with reliable products, and the M5C 3D printer is no exception. This printer is perfect for those who want a balance between quality and ease of use. The AnkerMake M5C is a more advanced model compared to the Ender 3v3 SE, but still simple enough for beginners to use. One of the standout features of the AnkerMake M5C is its speed. This printer can print up to 250 millimeters per second, which is significantly faster than many other printers in this price range. It also uses dual drive technology to ensure the filament is fed into the extruder more smoothly, resulting in faster and more reliable prints. Another great feature is the large touchscreen that makes it easy to navigate settings, start prints, and monitor progress. The auto bed leveling system helps you avoid uneven prints, ensuring your models stick to the bed without issues. Plus, with power loss recovery, if the power goes out during a print, it will automatically resume where it left off once the power is restored, saving you from wasting filament and time. The build volume on the AnkerMake M5C is 235 by 235 by 250 millimeters, which is slightly smaller than some of the other printers on this list, but still great for most projects. This size is perfect for printing larger models in one go or several smaller models simultaneously. For print quality, the M5C impresses with fine details and high-resolution prints. You can print detailed figures, prototypes, and functional parts with great accuracy and minimal post-processing. Another feature worth mentioning is its Wi-Fi connectivity. With this, you can control the printer remotely using your smartphone. So, if you want to start a print while you're at work or monitor the progress from another room, you can easily do so. For price, the AnkerMake M5C is a great mid-range option. You get fast speeds, great print quality, and a lot of features for the price. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. At number 3, we have the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. If you're looking for a 3D printer that combines affordable pricing with high-quality results, the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is a great option. Anycubic has been making fantastic 3D printers for years, and this model continues that tradition. The Cobra 3 Combo has a build volume of 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters, which is a large size for a 3D printer in this range. This is fantastic if you want to print larger models or print multiple objects at the same time. The direct drive extruder improves the quality of your prints, especially when using flexible materials like TPU, which can be difficult for some printers to handle. One of the best features of the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is the auto bed leveling. This feature ensures that your prints are always level, preventing issues like warping or failed prints. It also has a quick heat-up bed, so you can start printing faster. Another feature is the silent printing technology, making the Cobra 3 Combo quieter than many of its competitors. Whether you're printing at home or in a shared space, you won't have to worry about loud noises interrupting your day. For print quality, the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo delivers smooth prints with high detail and minimal layer lines. The dual-axis design ensures stability and precision, giving you professional-grade results every time. The price of the Cobra 3 Combo is competitive for the features it offers. If you want a solid 3D printer that can handle a variety of materials and deliver great results, this is an excellent choice. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D Printer. At number 2, we have the Creality K1C 3D Printer. This 3D printer is an upgrade from the popular Ender series and comes with some impressive features that make it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. The Creality K1C offers a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 millimeters, which is fantastic for printing large models or doing more advanced printing projects. It features a high-speed printing capability that can reach up to 600 millimeters per second, which is incredibly fast for a printer in this range. This makes it perfect for those who need speed without sacrificing print quality. The auto bed leveling system on the K1C is incredibly accurate, ensuring that your prints will stick to the bed correctly every time. The high-quality heated bed heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which helps prevent warping during prints. Another key feature of the Creality K1C is its improved extruder design. This design reduces issues like filament jams, giving you a more reliable printing experience. It also features multiple filament compatibility, allowing you to print with PLA, ABS, TPU, and more. The print quality is superb, with detailed prints and smooth finishes. You'll notice the difference in your projects, whether you're creating prototypes, models, or functional parts. It's one of the best printers if you want high-speed printing without compromising on quality. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. And finally, at number 1, we have the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. If you want the best of the best when it comes to 3D printing in 2025, this is the printer to go for. The Adventurer 5M combines amazing print quality, advanced features, and user-friendly design in one powerful machine. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M comes with a large build volume of 320 by 320 by 400 millimeters, which is perfect for larger prints or printing multiple smaller models at once. The touchscreen interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it great for beginners while still offering advanced settings for experienced users. One of the standout features of the Adventurer 5M is its automatic filament feeding and auto bed leveling. These features save time and reduce errors, ensuring that your prints are consistent and successful. The print quality is outstanding, with smooth surfaces, fine details, and very minimal post-processing required. Whether you're printing intricate models, large parts, or prototypes, the Adventurer 5M delivers exceptional results every time. Another great feature is the built-in camera, which allows you to monitor your prints remotely via the app. This is especially useful if you're printing something that will take hours to complete, as you can check the progress from your phone or computer. For price, the Adventurer 5M is on the higher end, but considering the features, performance, and print quality, it's well worth the investment for those who need a professional-grade 3D printer. So, that's it. These are the top 5 best 3D printers in 2025. Each one has its strengths, so whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, there's a printer here for you. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try out, or if you think another 3D printer deserves to be on this list. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing reviews and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.